Don't you think it's just amazing to find so many different species, trees, animals, and all of that living on this earth? As much as we are alive and living on this earth, with all the different characters, smile and sadness, and everywhere, and even producing art, music, painting, lots of creative ideas, physics, management, investment, all sorts of relationships we create. And if you think or perceive there's a force of universe manifesting in such a form, and you are one as much as everyone, and if you take a position of the universe, then you may find, call it awakening, amazing world that